Hole 5 at Quinta de Vale may be short, but it's far from simple. This par 3 features a small, well-defended green, almost entirely surrounded by water and flanked by 2 protective bunkers. The challenge lies in precise club selection and distance control. There's little margin for error. Miss short right or long left, and you're in trouble. Find the putting surface, however, and you'll be rewarded with a relatively flat green and a real chance at birdie.